Hello everybody, how is it going? It's Myra here with another review, and today we're gonna take a look at Coca-Cola Zero Peach Flavor Limited Edition. You know, I'm not a big fan of soft drinks, I usually never buy them, but when I saw this at store, a peach flavor, I had to buy it. What does the Coca-Cola peach flavor taste like? Well, we're gonna find out right now. Let's pop it open. Ooh, got a lot of gas in there. It smells like the actual peaches, the fruit. There's almost no Coca-Cola there at all. No Coke smell coming through. That's interesting. Okay, let's pour it in. Ooh, a lot of bubbles. So there's a lot of carbohydrates there. Okay, let's taste it. Let's taste the Coca-Cola Zero Limited Edition Peach Flavor. Oh, it's awful. I'm sorry, it's awful. Oh, it's like you don't get any Coca-Cola flavor here at all. It's just peach, and it's not like a good way peach flavor. It's like a, how do you say it? It's like if you mix Coke and Fanta together and it creates this weird mix. Like there's no Coke flavor at all, no peach flavor. The peach flavor is really mild. That's what I was trying to say. Ooh, I don't think anybody will buy this the second time after they tasted it the first time. Maybe that's why it's limited edition, because they didn't expect people to buy this. Oh, it's not good. I like original Coca-Cola and Coca Zero too, but this, it's not good. It's not Coke anymore. I'm really disappointed. Sometimes the different Coke flavors are good, like maybe the cherry Coke or the vanilla Coke, they're pretty good. But this one is, I don't recommend buying it. The rating, 2 out of 10. Yeah. The 1 point comes from the smell, because it actually smells like peaches. But yeah, thanks for watching this review. This has been an honest review. I'm sponsored by Coca-Cola, but I still discriminate their product. I still critique their product for real. This is honest review. There's no paid sponsors here, okay? So yeah, main channel here and more videos here. Subscribe. I will see you guys in the next review. Goodbye. Coca-Cola peach flavor, 2 out of 10. It's not good Coca-Cola peach flavor. Don't buy this ever. Yeah.